did the build on it?
Vic Cube. He's out of Hart, actually.
Really?
Right out of Hart, yep. And then the paint was done at Mike's Body Shop, right over, or Mike Paint over in Shelby.
Nice. They got nice work up here, these guys, man.
Yeah, they do.
You want out?
Can you show me the motor?
Yeah.
Is there a motor?
Can you pull this back? There you go.
And what is it like?
Yeah, and then Austin was like so recent.
Thank you.
Oh, that's cool.
And to change the oil on it, you actually have to go underneath. Take the whole grill out.
Air cleaners.
Yep. And we actually took that off to replace it, and like you can't find one like it anymore.
bet.
So I had to like custom order it.
What year is this?
75.
A good year.
When I got this out, I thought,
Oh, you got your own sign and everything. Look at that.
So have fun.
I'm going to put this on YouTube, okay? This is my site right here if you want to look it up.
yeah.
Well, it's her car, but
Okay.
we're waiting on electric.
It's cool.
Pretty fun.
Where'd you guys pick this up at?
This is actually straight from England.
Really? Brought it across the big lake.
Oh yeah.
Morning.
How you doing?
Good. How are you today?
Great. Nice weather today, man.
Well,
Nice
I
weather.
was sitting at home watching the sprinkles.
Was you?
In Ludington.
Ludington. Oh, man. Is it moving this way?
No. We're on the tail end of it.